Daily market update, Monday, 8th of June. Some interesting developments over the weekend. Situation in the Middle East seems to have got worse over the weekend as Iran attacked Israel after Israel repeatedly attacked Lebanon. Israel has retaliated, and Donald Trump is under a huge amount of pressure because Donald Trump doesn't want this war to linger on with the midterm elections just around the corner in the US. Last week was sort of difficult for markets. It was a bit of a pullback. I wouldn't say that it's all doom and gloom at the moment in my personal view, because markets are still very close to all-time highs. Tech stocks are near all-time highs. Yes, the PHLX, which is semiconductor index, which lost 1 trillion of its value on Friday alone, it's still up 73% year to date in US dollar terms. This morning in South Korea, the markets had to be put on hold because it's down more than 10%, so circuit breakers had to be employed to stop the market activity. So it's worth keeping an eye on these developments as the week progresses. But in my view, the most important thing to markets is not the situation in the Middle East right now. As we have witnessed over the last few weeks, the most important thing is an expectation for a rate hike from the Federal Reserves. That is the key area. Whenever there's an expectation for a hike, as we have seen, the expectation for rate hikes has risen from 38% to 43% according to Wall Street Journal and according to CME data. So because that has happened, that is the thing which market worries the most about. They are less bothered about the Middle East and more bothered about the future course of Federal Reserve. And that is what is reflected in the real yields, and that's why gold has been declining. Gold declines when there's an expectation for real yields to go up, which means when the Federal Reserve is likely to raise the rates. Gold seems to do okay if it's a genuine market stress environment and it can rise alongside the US dollar. But this scenario is different. So I hope that's helpful.